Betogings teen xenofobie duur voort. Mees onlangs 'n reuse saamtrek in Johannesburg se middestad.
We will not allow a tiny minority of murderers and xenophobics to paint our country in the manner that they have painted it.
And the round of applause.
Intussen het baie slagoffers van xenofobie 'n vurk in die pad bereik. Die tyd het gekom vir die vlugtelinge in die Primrose vlugtelingekamp om te besluit of hulle wil teruggaan na hul huise of geboortelande, toe die kamp grootendeels ontruim is. Daar is die vir wie die vrees te veel is.
I'm afraid to go back to Marathon.
En die wat skrikkerig is, maar tog bereid is om die lewe hier nog 'n kans te gee.
I think it's going to be okay, but not 100%.
Maar hoe vertrou jy vir 'n derde keer?
Yeah, I want to go back to Zim than to stay here in South Africa. Because where I was staying, people in that community, I don't trust them anymore. When they get drunk, they start to fight. When it gets dark, they start to fight, you see.
Meeste vlugtelinge, of hulle nou bly of gly, het in elk geval niks om na terug te keer nie.
In my house, I am selling fruits or veggies, so they took all my money in the house. I don't have food to eat, I don't have clothes to wear with my young children, a boy.
It's much better for me to go home and get peace of mind. You understand? I come here without money. It's much better if I go home without money. No one can fight me because I don't have money.
Monli Gugubele, Ukraine se burgemeester, is egter vol vertroue dat die vlugtelinge met oop arms verwelkom sal word.
It's so interesting the irony that prevails there. Ordinary people we speak to were very much disturbed that these people left. One, amongst other things, they said to me, Mayor, I'm supposed to have so much money for bread. Now, normally I would walk next to that trading point and buy bread. But because now these guys are gone, I must find money for a taxi to go to Chimiston so that I can get a bread. So the money I could have used to buy soup so that I can eat a nicer bread must go now to the taxi. It means their disposable income is highly reduced and their living standards are even lower. So those people were very desperate for these people to come back, but they felt intimidated by minority criminal groupings.